Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive convenience with the best electric cars. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to comment and share your thoughts. Let's elevate your car maintenance experience together. Number 1. eHelp Electric Car Jack Kit, your ultimate solution for hassle-free tire changes and repairs on the go. This innovative kit comes equipped with a powerful 5-ton hydraulic car jack lift, boasting a lifting range from 6.1 to 17.7 inches, ensuring versatility for various vehicle types including SUVs, MPVs, sedans, and trucks. What sets this kit apart is its inclusion of an electric impact wrench, providing the added convenience of effortless bolt tightening and loosening. Say goodbye to strenuous manual labor and hello to efficient garage repairs with this must-have tool. Whether you're stranded on the roadside or tackling routine maintenance at home, the eHelp Electric Car Jack Kit ensures swift and safe tire changes every time. Number 2. Stand Tall Electric Car Jack, your ultimate companion for hassle-free car repairs. This all-in-one automatic 3-ton scissor lift jack is a game-changer for sedan and SUV owners alike. With its powerful 12V functionality, lifting your vehicle has never been smoother or quicker. No more struggling with manual jacks or cumbersome tools. This innovative device effortlessly raises your car with the push of a button. Its sturdy construction ensures reliability and safety, while its compact design makes it easy to store in your trunk for emergencies. Say goodbye to back-breaking labor and hello to convenience with the Stand Tall Electric Car Jack. Whether you're changing a tire or performing routine maintenance, this tool is a must-have for any car enthusiast. Number 3. ROGTZ Electric Car Floor Jack Set delivers an all-in-one solution for effortless tire changes. This 3-ton automatic 12V scissor lift jack comes equipped with an impact wrench and tire inflator pump, streamlining the tire replacement process. Its compact design and easy operation make it a must-have for any vehicle owner. The jack swiftly elevates vehicles, while the impact wrench efficiently removes lug nuts, and the tire inflator pump ensures proper tire inflation. With safety features like overload protection and a sturdy construction, the ROGTZ Electric Car Floor Jack Set offers convenience and peace of mind on the road. Say goodbye to manual jacks and hello to efficient, hassle-free tire changes with this versatile set. Number 4. Effortlessly Electric Car Jack, your ultimate solution for hassle-free tire changes. With its impressive 5-ton lifting capacity and 12V power supply, this jack effortlessly elevates SUVs and cars with ease. What sets it apart is its built-in inflatable pump, eliminating the need for extra tools during emergencies. Its electric hydraulic system ensures swift and stable lifting, making tire changes a breeze even for solo drivers. The compact design adds to its convenience, fitting snugly into your vehicle's trunk. Say goodbye to manual jacks and tedious tire changes. The Effortlessly Electric Car Jack is a game-changer for every road trip and daily commute. Number 5. Stand Tall Electric Car Floor Jack Set, a game-changer for effortless tire changes and replacements. With its powerful 3-ton capacity and all-in-one design, this automatic 12V scissor lift jack is a must-have for any vehicle owner. But what sets it apart is its inclusion of an impact wrench and tire inflator pump, making it a comprehensive solution for roadside emergencies. The jack swiftly lifts your vehicle with the push of a button, while the impact wrench effortlessly loosens lug nuts, and the tire inflator pump ensures proper tire pressure for a safe journey. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual jacks and tires deflated by unforeseen circumstances. The Stand Tall Electric Car Floor Jack Set is your reliable companion on the road. In conclusion, the best electric car jack is a game-changer for any roadside emergency. Its efficiency and ease of use make it a must-have tool for every car owner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and remember to like and share this video with fellow car enthusiasts.